Okay, Chef J. John, that fire jerk chicken. As you see, got the Morris Brown thing on. I went to Morris Brown. That was my indoctrination to Atlanta, 1996. 96 to 98. Morris Brown is my heartbeat. You know what I mean? I'm originally from Jamaica. You know what I mean? And Morris Brown is my family. So was here 96, 98. I transferred to Clark Atlanta, graduate 2001. Clark Atlanta with business school. We were at That Fire Jerk Chicken, got the truck out here today. You know what I mean? Just sharing some love and affection to my alma mater right here.
So how did you transition into food?
You know what? It's not a hard transition. I mean, from the foundation that I learned here at Morris Brown and CAU, it wasn't a hard transition. Food is what I love, and my Jamaican culture, you put that together, it was like, what am I gonna do with this? So we're right here on 226 Northside Drive, right across the street from the Burger King, right across the street from Pascal's. We've been here 9 years. It feels good to be a part of the AUC community, Castleberry community. So me being a part of this is just, it's kismet.
So you started cooking directly out of school, or it took a while?
Oh man, I've been cooking since I was 11 years old. Yeah, I mean, you know, so it just happened, and I just feel great to be a part of just something that's bigger than me.
And how long have you had the truck been?
Well, the truck, food truck, we're about 4 years into the food truck. You know, we are rebuilding 226 Northside Drive because we had a fire earlier on this year. We'll be back again come February 2025. And so just much love to Morris Brown. We love being a part of the homecoming. We'll be at Clark next week. Just love to Morris Brown, man, because that's my foundation.
Where you want to transition from the brick and mortar and get your truck?
Well, you know what? Listen, being able to have a mobile restaurant so that I can be in more than one place than another is always just a good thing. And so having a food truck allows us to be in more than one place. So having a restaurant here on Northside Drive and have the food truck could be another place. So, you know, it's a blessing.
There's some of the places you travel with the truck, or you just do it in state?
No, man. We'll be in Alabama next month. We go down to Florida. I'm a Jamaican, so look, we'll be anywhere we need to be. You know what I mean?
What's your main dish you whip up?
Yo, well, listen. Jerk chicken is our claim to fame.
I mean, yours. That you said you chef.
I'm a chef. Yeah. So listen. I'm not the best jerk chicken in Atlanta 9 years running. If you Google me, all the awards we've won, that's our claim to fame. But our oxtails are if you even Google that, our oxtails are a great dish. Our brown stew chicken, curry chicken. You know, we do some fun things, jerk chicken tacos. We do the #1 critically acclaimed, our jerk chicken cheese fries are the best in Atlanta. So, you know.
It's hard finding, well, it's not hard finding good Jamaican food. I'm from New York.
Yeah.
Jamaican food everywhere.
Everywhere.
All of them are good.
And so, what's great about that is I lived in Brooklyn for 5 years.
Okay.
And through that experience is where I got a lot of, you know what, I need to tighten up on this, tighten up on that, because, you know what I mean? Because I'm like, I don't want nobody coming from Brooklyn, New York, coming down to me and say, yo, this ain't real. So, you know what I mean? So we make sure to say like everything straight up on the grill, everything's smoked, our jerk pork, our jerk chicken, everything's on the grill, all original recipes. We have our own pop sauce, our own hot sauce that we make, jerk chicken sauce that we make. So we just try to make it as authentic as possible.
You're saying some states people travel to.
Yes.
Different people like different foods.
Yes, absolutely.
Atlanta, they come and get what from you?
Well,
I
listen.
know they get a little bit of everything, but what they get the
Listen,
most.
listen. If you Google me and you Google best jerk chicken, I mean, you know, whatever. But I will say that we just try to make sure that we just keep everything 100, right? And I like to have fun with my recipes. So right now we have jerk chicken tacos here, fish tacos, jerk chicken tacos, my oxtails, brown stew chicken. So I just try to play with everything that I can and make sure that it's wonderful. And I try to make sure I stick to my roots as well, always. And Morris Brown is my roots because I came here in '96, and this was my first experience in Atlanta. Was '96, '98. I love Morris Brown. I graduated CAU, but the AUC is my family. That's why we opened up 2 blocks away from here. So this is my family, and so we want to make sure that we love the community, and we give back to whatever they gave back to me. I'm not who I am right now without Morris Brown. I'm not who I am right now without Clark, Atlanta.